So this is the hands-on video on how to create the static website using S3 on AWS. Go to the AWS console and open the S3 service. Create bucket. The first thing to do in this section is assign your bucket a globally unique name. S3 bucket names must be unique across all AWS accounts worldwide, not just within your account. In this example, we've named the bucket Fiona-Mendoza-site. Tip: if your chosen name is already taken, try adding a suffix like your initials or a number to make it unique. Then untick Block All Public Access if you're hosting a static website. Why? When you host a static website on Amazon S3, your files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, need to be publicly accessible so that users' browsers can download them. By default, S3 blocks all public access for security reasons, which is great for private data like backups or internal documents. But a static website is meant to be viewed by anyone on the internet. If you keep Block All Public Access enabled, your website files remain private. Users will get access denied errors. The site won't load in a browser. So you disable it specifically to allow public read access to your website files. After that, scroll down. Create bucket. Your bucket has now been successfully created. Open the bucket to view its details. Then click Upload to begin adding your website files. Now we're ready to upload the website files. Click Add Files, then select your index.html file from your computer. The index.html file is important because it serves as the default entry point of your website. This is the file S3 will load first when someone visits your site. Next, upload your images. Click Add Folder, then select your Images folder from your computer. At this point, all required website files have been successfully uploaded to your S3 bucket. You're now ready to configure the bucket for static website hosting. Scroll down and click Upload to begin the upload process. Allow a few moments for all files to finish uploading before proceeding to the next step. Now, click on your bucket to open it. You should see your index.html file and the images folder listed inside. Next, navigate to the Permissions tab at the top of the bucket page. Scroll down to the Bucket Policy section, click Edit, and paste the following JSON policy. This policy makes your website files publicly readable, so browsers can load your static site. It does not allow people to upload, delete, or modify anything. Line 4 grants permission. Line 5 makes it public. Line 6 allows read-only access. And line 7 applies it to all files in the bucket. Click Save Changes to apply the bucket policy. Now it's time to view your website live. Then navigate to the Properties tab, enable static website hosting if you haven't already, and use the provided endpoint URL to access your live site. And there you have it. Your site is now live. However, notice that the URL starts with HTTP, not HTTPS. That means the connection is not encrypted, so data between the user and the site isn't secured. For production environments, you should always use HTTPS to ensure secure and trusted communication. To learn how to configure HTTPS for your S3 static website, check out our Substack page for a full step-by-step guide. That's all for now. See you in the next episode.